Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating the perfect fall makeup look with Lakmé's Rouge Bloom Collection. I'm thrilled to show you how their new range can bring the cozy, bold vibes that we all love for fall. I'll be using these luxurious beauty products to achieve this look. So let's get started. Let's dive into eyes first. So I have the Lakmé's Rouge Bloom eyeshadow palette, which has the perfect shade for fall. So it has all the warm tones from deep browns to rich golds, everything that you will need to create the perfect eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start with the shade Rain right here. Okay, and stamp it all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to take the shade Bloom and apply it in my crease and blend it out in my transition area. Then I'm going to take this black shade called as Power and I'm going to smoke out my upper lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Rain and smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Desert Rose and pop it in my inner corners. This eyeshadow palette was super blendable and made my smoky eye look so easy to do and is a perfect palette for the wedding and party season. Okay, I've already done my base off camera and I'm going to set this base with the Lakmé's Rouge Bloom setting powder. Although it's winters, it's important to set your base so it lasts all day. I love how lightweight it feels. It keeps the skin looking fresh but also keeps any shine at bay. Now onto blush, I'm using the Lakmé's Rouge Bloom Powder Blush in the shade Vintage Rose. This adds just the right amount of color to my cheeks. Let's move on to lips, which I think is the highlight of any fall look. So I'm going in with the Lakmé's Rouge Bloom Bullet Lipstick in the shade Plum Guarded. This lipstick has a creamy texture that glides on smoothly and the pigmentation is just wow. It's giving me all the fall vibes with this rich Plum Garden shade. To amp up the drama a bit, I am layering the Lakmé's Rouge Bloom Liquid Lipstick in the shade Blushing Bay. It adds a bit of depth and makes the lips look fuller and more vibrant. Plus, the formula is super comfortable, so it doesn't feel heavy even with both the products on. And this is the finished look. I love how these products from the Lakmé's Rouge Bloom collection came together for this cozy autumn-inspired glam. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you're looking to get your fall makeup essentials, definitely check out the Lakmé's Rouge Bloom collection. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And definitely turn on your notification for more such looks. I'm gonna go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. And then, bye!